Hello, welcome back to Tom's Stories. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining. Tom is going to the park. The park is very big. It is very green. Tom walks on the path. He sees many tall trees. He sees colorful flowers. The air is fresh and clean. Tom looks around. He sees many people. Some people sit on benches. They read newspapers. Children play with a ball. They run and jump. Everyone is happy. Tom sees a small lake. The water is blue. Look, there are white ducks. The ducks are swimming. Tom has some bread. He gives bread to the ducks. They like it. Tom is a little tired. He finds a big tree. He sits under the tree. He takes a red apple from his bag. He eats his apple. He listens to the birds. Tom loves the park. It is a peaceful place. Nature is beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.